In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front ABS sensor on your Toyota Tundra. Remove the center cap using a flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim tool. Remove the 6 lug nuts. Remove the wheel using a 10mm socket. Remove the bolt for the ABS sensor. Remove the ABS sensor. Remove the plastic clip from the bracket. Used a trim tool. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt from the bracket. Pull the bracket off of the knuckle. There's one more 10mm on the top arm. Remove that. Pull the bracket off of the arm. There's one last 10mm on the top of the strut tower. Go ahead and remove that. And we're able to pull this bracket up and over. Remove these clips for the little splash shield on the side. I'm going to pull this back and tuck it out of the way. And this is going to be the connector for the ABS wire. Push down on this top button. And pull out the connector. Using a trim tool, we're going to get under and pop this clip up. And then we can remove the ABS sensor assembly. I'm going to plug in the ABS sensor, put that clip back in, and pull it up over the arm. Push this plastic clip into place. Install the 10mm into the top bracket. Snug down that top bolt. Install the bracket onto the top arm. Put your 10mm bolt in. Then we're going to snug that down. Put this bracket around the knuckle arm. And then install the 10mm bolt. Snug it down. Insert the plastic clip into the bracket, and then install the ABS sensor into the hole. Install the 10mm bolt. Snug down the bolt. Torque the front ABS bolt to 71 inch-pounds. Fold the splash shield back over and install your plastic clips. And then the one on the front of the strut tower. Install the wheel. Put on your 6 lug nuts. Snug them down in a star pattern. Torque your wheel in a star pattern to 83 foot-pounds. Install the center cap and snap it into place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.